Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Our course is Hotel Building Maintenance Course, a practical program created especially for professionals in the hospitality and facility management sectors. What will you learn? In this course, you'll learn how to inspect and maintain hotel buildings, covering everything from plumbing and HVAC to finishes, tools, waterproofing, and fire safety, all with guest comfort in mind. Tailored for hotel environments. This course focuses specifically on hotel environments, covering both FOH and BOH maintenance needs, with real-world repair methods to support comfort, safety, and operations. Visual and practical learning. You won't just learn theory. You'll see practical maintenance breakdowns, photos from real hotels, and tool usage, so the skills you gain are realistic and applicable on the job. Join live practice sessions. To turn theory into skill, you can join our weekend live sessions guided by experienced mentors. You'll watch repairs in real time and ask your questions directly. Who should join? Voiceover. This course is ideal for hotel maintenance staff, engineers, supervisors, and facility managers, or anyone responsible for the upkeep of hospitality buildings. Learning format. You'll learn through clean, structured video lessons with real examples and tools, backed by live weekend practice and downloadable resources you can keep. From theory to real-world practice. Once you've completed the theory lessons, your learning continues with interactive online practical sessions. In these mentor-led sessions, you'll apply what you've learned, solve real maintenance scenarios, and get hands-on guidance, all from the comfort of your location. Learn. Maintain. Succeed. Watch all the lessons to understand core hotel maintenance, then join our weekend sessions to practice with expert support and real-life examples. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more and get certifies? Register now on our LMS portal https://hegsdc.com now to register. Get instant access to the full course and book your weekend live mentor sessions. Start your journey to professional hotel maintenance today.